Rawvana, she's gone, guys. That's it. That's crazy too. Like this, her own friend like leaked it out too. Imagine that. Imagine like going to Mexico and trying to just get away from your followers, get away from all the stress and pressure of being this huge YouTube influencer, and then you're incorporating some fish, you're eating some eggs in your diet, and you don't want to feel bad about it, right? Anyways, you know, we all know the secret's out. Rawvana is no longer vegan. This is the video that leaked right here on Instagram on the Spanish channel. That's the thing, is she's gone Espanol, and you got this Spanish channel. Her friend really posted a video literally of her at a restaurant in Mexico, and she was like literally covering up with her arms like the plate of fish on her plate at dinner while her friend was over there in the corner vlogging. Here, let's just watch it together right now, because it's honestly hilarious. There it is right there. You see that? Boom. Look at that right there. She is eating. Oh no, I'm just gonna casually you know, cover up my food. Oh, sorry, this isn't fish. Literally, that's it. Just that 20-second clip right here. A friend posted a video of them eating fish. She tries to cover up her plate, and that's what caused her to make, you know, the "why I'm no longer vegan" video, or "this is what's happening" video. And let this be a lesson to you guys. You know, when you have that much peer pressure and you're living life, you know, for other people's values instead of your own, this is what happens. You know, it's 2019. We live in this transparent age, and you know, if you got something to hide, you got skeletons in your closet or whatever, they're gonna come out, you know? So you might as well just be open and honest with your life. And to me, that's the beauty of YouTube, that's the beauty of social media. You know, as we're evolving on this planet, it's like the secrets are out. People don't want to be lied to. People don't want to, you know, have this guilt anymore, you know? And it's really crazy how fish and eggs are automatically like the #1 source that people start incorporating animal products in for health, right? The constipation and the stress from her life. I mean, we all know there's so much more going on to this than just what we watched in that video. So just be mindful about that, guys. It's really sad, you know, how many, literally millions of people that she is influencing. She has several vegan ebooks. She's gone on fruit cleanses, juice cleanses, you name it. Been really broadcasting the vegan lifestyle, saving animals, all about compassion for many years. And then boom, just like that, cold turkey. If you want my honest opinion, I think it's because of her husband, and she recently got engaged and getting married, and they're having pressure to have kids and stress and blah blah blah, and it's a lot of, you know, again, outside pressure. And please just let this be a lesson to you to like go within, you know, really meditate. All right, she went to like a nutritionist, and around, you know, when you surround yourself with these people that are, you know, choosing the old paradigm, right? They're choosing the way of flesh and meat and eggs, and that is very, you know, an old school way of thought. Let's all catch up to the new way of thinking. There is an abundance of fruits and vegetables available to us, and there is just literally no reason to be eating that. I mean, she was constipated for 5 days, and something as simple as an enema or just a high fruit, I mean, a couple pieces of fruit and some water, I mean, she would have had a bowel movement and no problem. So please, you know, don't get too crazy in the comment section, like, oh, it's just for health, oh, it's just for this. You gotta understand, this is a path of spirituality. This is a path of being in tune with your spirit. And if you're consuming these violence-based foods, you're gonna absorb those emotions. I don't care if it's a fish or an egg or anything. You know, those animals wanted to live, and those animals were tortured. She literally paid somebody, you know, to go torture these animals so she could benefit from their flesh. You know, that's not what we're about here at the Infinite Cup. We are trying to change the world here. We are trying to sorry about that, my fancy camera. This thing, I swear, I'm still figuring it out. I'm still that guy who's figuring out technology, so I apologize. The camera battery just died, and I'm just gonna film the rest of this video on my phone real quick. Okay, please, just let's get away from the drama. You know, this is not a hate video. I just want to inform you guys of what's going on and the power of social media and how you cannot like hide from anything anymore. So really just be mindful about that. Think about the reason why you became vegan in the first place. Think about compassion. Let's think about the animals. Let's think about the planet and how we can create that change that you want to see in this world, okay? Please just consider, you know, other things, other non-violent resources for your health before you know, think about harming animals, okay? Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for watching the video. Much love. You guys enjoy the rest of your day.